Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money by clicking ad. Yes, you can earn money by clicking ad. It won't replace your 9 to 5 job and you can't make a big money, but it is a good way to make a side income every single day. You can spend a little bit of your time, a couple of minutes while you're watching TV, that you can click an ad, or while you're surfing on internet, that you can click open this ad and you get paid for every single click. So in this video I'm going to show you the 4 websites where you can earn money by clicking ad. I think those websites work worldwide, and also the 5th website are lots of people get scammed for. So I'm going to show the 5th website you have to avoid. So watch the video until the end. Before that, if you're new to my channels, subscribe my channels, and I upload money making, money saving tutorial video every single day, or I try to upload every other day. So like and share, and if you watch the video until then, you can win a £10 PayPal money. So the first website is called HeedU. So HeedU is a website where you can earn by clicking ad. So you have to go to this site called Earn and click here, and you can create a free account with them. That you can see they're around since 2012, nearly 8 years. So you can see it's a trustable website, and you can get paid in PayPal, Payout, in Skrill, and the minimum you need to get $1 in order to get paid. So this is your dashboard. It's gonna look like, if we click this ad, you can earn 5 cents, 1 cent. Different ads pay you different amount. Again, these are for now. Couple of hours later they refresh. If you refresh the page, you're gonna see different ads. You can click those and you can earn, you can collect the money, and you can get paid in PayPal. This is a website. It's simple. You have to click ad, wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and you get paid for that. Then so the second website is called GPT Planet. Again, you get paid to click ad, or if you complete the surveys also you can get paid. You can say you can earn up to 1 cent per click. Minimum payout is $1, and you can get paid in Skrill, Netlr, AirTMT, and Payout and Bitcoin. They don't do PayPal at the moment. As you can see, you can register and you can earn by clicking ad, and you can get cash out when you get $1 in your wallet. This is the second website. And the third website is called scarletclick.info. So I put the link in the description. Go and check it out. It's called scarlet-click.info. And again, it's similar to GP Planet, where you can click links and you can earn money for that. You can send a different ad. Again, it pay you different amount, and you can click and wait for 5 to 10 seconds and you get paid. Again, they don't pay through PayPal, but other payment method is working with this website. And there's a fourth one is called adclick.net. Is again similar to GPT Planet or scarletclick.info. Again, you can see different ad, pay you different amount. You click that, wait for a couple of seconds. You don't have to register anything, you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to put any personal information, and wait for a couple of seconds and your money will be added in your dashboard. Then you can withdraw through the preferred payment method. Again, $1 is the minimum payout. So these are the websites that you can trust and you can earn money by clicking ad. As you can see, this is the 5th website. Lots of people get scammed. I think this is a scam because they don't pay out. They don't actually pay for any customer. Then you can see they said that you can earn up to $5 per click. For 30 seconds you have to wait for the website, that you get paid in $5 per click, and request payment. So when you received $5,000 in your dashboard, you can withdraw that amount. But that's actually a completely scam, my point of view. So then you can see this is my dashboard. I have a 7 link to click, and each ad is gonna pay you $5. And if I click my account here, and you can see I already click in one advertisement that's called $5. And again, they said you had to upgrade today to get more advertisement. Basically what you have to do, you need to buy a premium membership to get more advertisement. This is an article written by this website. Here they talk about that you have 1 month subscription, premium subscription $29, 2 month is $59, 3 month $89, and yearly subscription is $189. If you did that, they're gonna give you more advertisement every single day to click. So when you get this $5,000 in your wallet, then you can withdraw, but actually they don't pay you that money. So this actually they talk about the does bugs in pay. Unfortunately, there are many complaints and online about bugs in companies saying that they are not living up to expectation by paying membership promise. So they're not going to pay you the money, but instead they're going to steal your money. So stay away from website like this one. And if this website asks for to buy a premium membership in order to get more advertisement to click, my advice is to don't buy that. So you can go to this website again, whatever the advertisement available, just click that and leave that in the background. It will give you the money, and when you cannot enough money, then you can withdraw that, but you don't have to buy for anything. Again, it won't replace your 9 to 5 job, and you can't make $1,000 $2,000 here, but it's another good way to make some side income by clicking ad. So these are the couple of websites. There's other website there. If you want to learn more about that, leave me a comment so I can find it out for you guys. If you really like this video, leave a like and comment. When this video get 100 likes, I will do the £10 giveaway. So like this video, leave a comment, I like this video, and see you next video guys.